I'm in Thailand and I'm gonna make some rice wine. So some sugar just to jazz it up. I got some wine yeast, RC212. There's two of them. I'm just gonna chuck them in there. So here I have glutinous rice. So I added some brown sugar just to increase the alcohol content. This is what it looks like. And this is the purple rice. Add a bunch of brown sugar right there. And of course you need these bubblers. You need these bubblers here. Keep all the oxygen out and get all the ethanol in. You know what I'm saying? Ethanol. That's where the magic happens. Here we go. Attached it, added the water there. So in time it'll start bubbling. I loosely capped it. And this is the black rice, or purple rice. And this is the glutinous rice. I hope the molasses gives it a bit of a interesting taste to it towards the end. So I'm gonna let it rip for a month. 3 days later. What the hell happened here? Ugh. So, a few things. Yeah, this is a total failure. I had to shove it in somehow. I've been using my hands, so there's a lot of contamination. The mouth opening is just too small to do anything, sanitary. Also, the internal container was not sanitized, so I should use some Star San or just thoroughly clean it beforehand. And also the yeast. I use the Lavin yeast, but it's been out in the hot weather for a while. It needs to be stored in the refrigerator. So most likely the yeast I used was already dead. So, and I also use like bread yeast, but it's not cutting the mustard here. So, update.